Ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Well, in the world of crypto, that dream is closer to reality than you think. In today's video, I'm breaking down the best crypto passive income tactics you can start using right now to earn without lifting a finger. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these strategies will help you grow your wealth 24/7. Tactic number 1. Let's start with one of the most popular methods, staking. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially locking it up to help secure the blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards. It's best for beginners. Works with coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, Sol. And the rewards range from 4% to 12% APY. Step by step. 1. Choose a coin that supports staking, for example, Cardano. 2. Use a wallet or exchange that supports staking, like Kraken, Binance, or Ledger. 3. Lock in your coins and start earning. Pro tip: avoid exchanges that take big fees. Consider decentralized staking pools for better returns. Tactic number 2, providing liquidity. Next up, we've got liquidity pools. This is where you deposit crypto pairs, like ETH and USDC, into decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and earn a share of trading fees. This tactic has high earning potential, but also higher risk due to impermanent loss. Step by step. 1. Pick a DEX like Uniswap or Balancer. 2. Choose a stable trading pair like USDC DAI to minimize volatility. 3. Deposit both tokens in equal value into the pool. 4. Earn a percent of transaction fees, often 5 to 50% APY depending on the volume. Pro tip: stick to stablecoin pairs for safer returns and less risk of impermanent loss. Tactic 3. Yield farming. Think of yield farming as staking on steroids. You're not just earning from one platform, you're moving assets across DeFi protocols to chase the highest yields. But beware, this is more complex and can be risky. Step by step. 1. Start with a yield aggregator like Yearn Finance or Beefy Finance. 2. Connect your wallet, deposit your assets, and the platform automatically finds the best farms. 3. Reinvest or harvest your earnings. Expected returns, 10 to APY. Warning: high APs, high risk. Make sure to research the project's credibility. Pro tip: always check for audits and avoid unaudited or brand new protocols. Security comes first. Tactic 4. Crypto interest accounts. Want something simpler? Try crypto savings accounts. Just like a bank savings account, you deposit crypto and earn interest, except here, it's way more than 1%. Platforms like Nexo, Gru, or uHodler offer interest up to 12% APY. Step by step. 1. Sign up for a trusted platform. Check their licenses. 2. Deposit stablecoins like USDC or USDT. 3. Sit back and collect weekly interest. Pro tip: stablecoins are the safest bet here. Your principal value won't fluctuate like Bitcoin or ETH. Tactic number 5. Tea and GameFi rentals. If you're into blockchain gaming, this one's fun and profitable. GameFi platforms like Axie Infinity, Gala Games, and The Sandbox allow you to rent out NFTs or characters for passive income. Step by step. 1. Own in-game NFTs or assets. 2. List them on a rental marketplace. 3. Earn a share of the rental income while other players use them. Earnings vary based on the popularity of the game and your assets. Pro tip: only invest in games with strong user bases and active communities. Tactic 6. Running a node or masternode. Want to get a bit more technical? Running a full node or master node for certain cryptocurrencies helps validate transactions and earns you consistent passive rewards. Examples: Dash, Flux, or Strongblock. Step by step. 1. Buy the required number of tokens, e.g. 1000 Dash for a Dash masternode. 2. Set up a VPS, virtual server. 3. Follow the project's guide to launch your node. 4. Start earning rewards daily. ROI varies, but many offer 5 to 20% annually. Pro tip: use communities like masternodes.online to compare projects and returns. So there you have it. 6 powerful ways to earn passive income with crypto while you sleep. 1. Staking. 2. Liquidity pools. 3. Yield farming. 4. Crypto savings. 5. GameFi rentals. 6. Masternodes. Some are super beginner-friendly, others more advanced, but they all work if you do your research and manage your risk. All you have to do is start small, diversify your tactics, and always use trusted platforms. Got questions or a favorite passive income method I missed? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a money-making strategy.